Taurus, today you're moving like a quiet storm. Hindi halata, pero may lalim. The universe is rewarding your patience. Pero syempre, may konting test kung hanggang saan ka maghihintay. Sa love, gusto mo ng stability today. If single, may taong papasok na hindi flashy, but may substance. Don't ignore just because hindi siya exciting agad. Kung taken ka, perfect day for simple moments. Food trip, chill talk, walang unnecessary drama. Career, you're building something solid. Hindi siya mabilis, pero sigurado. May opportunity na parang maliit lang sa simula, pero parang seed yan. Pag inalagaan mo, lalaki. Health-wise, medyo lazy energy ka today. Comfort zone is calling. Pero kahit konting movement, lakad, stretch, malaking bagay. Compatibility, Virgo and Capricorn, aligned kayo. Pero sa Aries, medyo maiinis ka sa bilis nila. Lucky color, olive green. Lucky number, 8. Final message, slow doesn't mean stuck. Minsan, dahan-dahan ang pinaka-sure na panalo.
Kaswerte! Follow and subscribe kung gusto mo pa ng daily forecast.